Good afternoon, students. In previous video, we have taken classification of haloalkanes based on a number of halogen atoms present. And today, we'll take one more classification of haloalkanes based on hybridization. Based on hybridization, we'll take a classification of haloalkanes today. So before going to take the classification of haloalkanes based on hybridization, let me know first what is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, what is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, what is sp hybridized carbon atom. Then we'll go to the classification of haloalkanes. So what is sp3 hybridized carbon atom then? See here, you know the valency of carbon is 4, means it can form a maximum of 4 covalent bonds. If carbon atom forms all 4 single bonds, if carbon atom forms all 4 single bonds, then that carbon atom is said to be sp3 hybridized carbon atom. If carbon atom forms all 4 single bonds, then that carbon atom is said to be sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Now, if the carbon atom forms one double bond, if the carbon atom forms one double bond and 2 single bonds, if carbon atom forms one double bond and 2 single bonds, then that carbon atom is said to be sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. And last one, if the carbon atom forms one triple bond and one single bond, if the carbon atom forms one triple bond and one single bond, then that carbon atom is said to be sp hybridized carbon atom. sp hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp hybridized carbon atom. sp3 means all 4 single bonds, sp2 means one double bond, 2 single bonds, and sp means one triple bond and one single bond. So based on this concept, we'll classify the haloalkanes based on hybridization. Okay, so first for your syllabus, based on sp3 hybridized carbon atom is there. Based on first classification, based on sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, based on sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So first one here, based on sp3, first one, allylic halides, first classification. And the second classification based on sp3, it is benzylic halide. So in examination they may ask question, what are allylic halides? Give example. What are benzylic halides? Give example. Or sometimes they may ask only examples. Give example for allylic halide, give example for benzylic halide. So for that we'll discuss the definition now. So first one, what are allylic halides? Important definition. They may ask question, what are allylic halides? See here, allylic halides means these are the haloalkanes basically. These are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is, these are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. These are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which in turn attached to carbon atom which is double bonded. I'll repeat the statement. These are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which in turn attached to another carbon atom, and that carbon atom must be double bonded. Andra allylic halides ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಜ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, and that carbon atom should be double bonded. Okay, so we'll take one example, then we'll come to know what is allylic halide it is. I'll take one example here. So this is one example I have taken. See here, first you check it whether the carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized, sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized first. See here, you see this carbon atom. So this carbon atom, it is sp2 hybridized carbon atom because here it is a double bonded. So two hydrogen atoms are there here and it is. So sp2 hybridized carbon atom. What about this carbon atom? So double bond, single bond, single bond. So this carbon atom is also, so sp2 hybridized carbon. What about this one? So this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized carbon atom because it forms 4 single bonds, 1, 2 and 2 hydrogen atoms, means it is a 2 single bonds. So this is your sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So according to our definition, these are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom which in turn attached to carbon atom and which is double bonded. So ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದು sp3 hybridized carbon atom ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, and that carbon atom should be double bonded. So they are named as allylic halides. I hope it is clear. So this is one example I have taken. I'll take one more example here. CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH, CH, here it is Cl and here it is a CH3. See this example. See this carbon atom, this is sp3 hybridized carbon atom because it is all 4 single bonds, 3 hydrogen atoms. What about this one? sp2 hybridized carbon atom. What about this one? sp2, here it is here. So here it is sp3 and here is also sp3. Our definition is these are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So this is your sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So new question ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇದು sp3 ಇದೆ, ಇದು sp3 ಇದೆ, ಇದು sp3 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 4 ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 4. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, these are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which in turn attached to carbon atom which is double bonded. So this is your allylic halide and the name of the compound is, so 1 2 3, this is 3-chloropropene. This is 3-chloropropene, double bond means it is a propene, it is alkene. So 3-chloropropene, here it is 1 2 3 4 5. This is 4-chloropropene. pentene, number of carbon atoms are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are some examples of allylic halides. So I hope the definition is clear. These are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which in turn attached to carbon atom which is double bonded. And these are the two examples I have taken. So next, second classification, there is benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. So what are benzylic halides then? These are the haloalkanes. These are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Again same. These are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. Andra halogen atom iddu sp3 hybridized carbon atom attach ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆರೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಲೈಲಿಕ್ ಹಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಅಲೈಲಿಕ್ ಹಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ದಾಗ ಹಲೋಜಿನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದುದು sp3 hybridized carbon atom ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, and that should be double bonded. But in case of benzylic halide, again the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and that carbon atom should be linked with the next aromatic ring, that is benzene ring link agitpa andre they are named as a benzylic halides here. So I will write one example here. CH2Cl. See this halogen atom, it is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this sp3 hybridized carbon atom it is linked to aromatic ring. So therefore it is called as a benzylic halide. So the name of the compound is benzylic chloride. Benzylic chloride. These are the haloalkanes in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. So this is benzylic halides, and this classification is based on sp3 hybridized carbon atom, allylic halides and benzylic halides. Okay, thank you.